Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I would like to kind of talk to everyone about a really bad info that has been actually circulating since the release of the Phone Link app and its capabilities of linking to an iPhone. And of course, if you have an Android phone, you might have been doing this for a while. And what happens is, I think it's just simply Microsoft or Windows 8ers that just are trying to tell you that linking your iPhone makes it unsecure with the Phone Link app, and that you should not do it. You'll get your data stolen, and so on and so on. When it's actually not true. And I saw a few posts of this, and I even saw a couple of tech websites kind of taking over and saying, no, wait a minute. Don't fall for that. So if you are, or if you have done it, or if you are thinking of linking your My Phone app, or the Phone Link app, in Windows 11 to your iPhone, the thing is it gives you the ability to send and receive iMessages, check the emails, do a few things, see your call log, your calls. It is very limited compared to what you can do on Android, especially if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone. Now, the supposed problem was that when it's linked, you're unsecure, which is absolutely false. The reality is that to have access to what these guys say that, is unsecure, that person needs to have physical access to your phone and need your passcode to unlock it. Honestly, if you have physical access to the phone and have the passkey to unlock it, I'm sorry, but that's what you do when you want to use the phone link. You have to have physical access to the phone and unlock with your passcode. It's really stupid the way that it's been circulating. And you know what? You might not like Apple, you might not like Microsoft, you might be a Windows 8er, Linux fanboy, whatever you are. What I hate is when somebody tries to make sure that people get scared of something and pretend that it's not right and that it steals your data and so on, because it's cross-platform now, iPhone versus a Windows PC. It's so dumb. So don't fall for it. If you were thinking of using the Phone Link app with your iPhone, it's safe. It has absolutely no problem. It's actually a cool thing, because if you have a PC, get a text message, you get an iMessage, you can actually answer back from your PC. Don't even have to pick up your phone. There are advantages, and I actually have found that the Phone Link app in Windows is really, really cool. It really helps out a lot. I've been, answering emails. I've been actually answering text messages, all sorts of things like that. Even made a call through the PC using the link with Bluetooth. So don't hesitate to use Phone Link in iPhones. Works nicely, and no, there's absolutely no security hazard at all. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.